Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Andi Ardiansyah. I'm from Nautical Department Level 2.
And my name is Christoper. My major NAUTIKA Level 2. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in size medium.
Okay, let's see. Here is a nice black one. What do you think?
I would rather have it in red.
Okay. This is red in a medium. Would you like to try that?
Okay, yes.
It fits.
It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It $50. It will be $53 with tax.
Perfect, I'll take it. What can I help you with?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in size medium.
Oh, here's the black one in size medium.
I will rather have in red.
Let's see. Here's a nice red one in size medium. Would you like to try that?
Okay. Yes, it fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $50. It'll be $53 with tax.
Perfect. I will take it.